Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe, wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. This is your twin flame and soulmate reading, Aquarius twin flame and soulmate reading for the month of September 2021. Okay, please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it will help you out in some manner, but take whatever is resonating according to your situation and leave the rest. So it is not going to resonate with each of you. Okay, gender is not specific here, and I don't read reversals. If you have not subscribed yet, please like, share and subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. So let's start your reading, Aquarius, and let's see what are your twin flame and soulmate messages and the energies for the month of September 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver Aquarius twin flame and soulmate messages which are important to deliver for my Aquarius all over the world. Between the worlds, you are in the process of transition. The transformation is taking place. Let me see. What are the messages? What are the messages? Wow. You are completing a cycle, Aquarius. There is 9 number here and there is 10, and bottom of the deck I'm having new life. There is a new life which is coming for you. Okay, Aquarius. Maybe right now you can see you can see why this is happening with me. Why this is happening with me. This is the never ending story. Maybe you are going in circles again and again, but you need to know that maybe there is a lesson which you are not learning. That's why you are keep repeating that cycles and patterns again and again. Okay, use this mirror, use your wings to fly. You have the wings to fly, but you are not looking towards yourself. Use this mirror and look towards yourself. Then only you can see in the mirror that you have the wings, you can fly. You have to know that what pattern you have to break. What is the lesson this cycle is trying to teach us? What is the lesson which you need to learn? Why you are repeating the same never ending story again and again? But what I can see is that you are breaking that pattern, Aquarius. Okay, you are breaking that pattern and you're starting a new life here. Okay, there is a new life which is coming, and there is a treasure island which says lot of abundance, lot of prosperity. Okay, financial abundance, love abundance is coming for you here, Aquarius. Okay, maybe there is a star, there is hearts in this, and there is turtle here in the picture. Okay, so a lot of abundance is coming towards you, new hopes, new desires, the healing, the love. There is a box which is full of, can you see, full of blessings, full of gifts, full of abundance which is coming for you. And whatever chaos and conflicts you are going through right now, these are helping you out, you to become the real you. Okay, these chaos and conflicts, can you see in this picture, there is a zebra who is shedding the skin of the giraffe. Okay, so you are the zebra and you're shedding the skin of the giraffe, and once these chaos conflicts are happening in your life, so that you can shed the skin of giraffe and become the real you, become the zebra, because you are the zebra. Okay, I am telling you this by an example. Okay, no. Okay, so maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 333 these days. Okay, lot of threes are here. Maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 99. Okay, that can be a possibility here. See, the universe is here again. You are completing a cycle. See again, 10, universe, destiny. There is something which is here, Aquarius, which you are completing here, which is written in your destiny. You are just ending it. Okay, you're closing out that cycle and you're starting a new life here. Okay, now let's see. Please give me 5 messages for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading. Wow. follow your intuitions. Your intuition is guiding you correctly. Okay, if you want to break that cycle, Aquarius, and you will break it, because what I can see here is now you will be able to break that cycle. That maybe you were following the same pattern, you are not ready to learn that lesson. So but now you will learn that lesson, you will follow your intuition, and you will break that lesson here, and you will take the authority card is here. This is the Emperor energy. You're going to take the charge of your life in your own hands, and you will say that I'm going to take the charge of my life. Okay, so this is beautiful. Let me see 3 more messages. Throat chakra. Your throat chakra is getting activated definitely. In other messages also I was receiving the message that yes, your throat chakra is getting activated, and it is the number 5 here in this deck. 5 is all about radical changes, rapid changes, sudden changes here. Okay, so changes are coming up for you, Aquarius. Okay, these 2 cards fallen out here, which says that have patience right now and have solitude. Okay, have patience because new life is coming for you, Aquarius. Can you see again? This is 114 14 number 5 again. So maybe you can see lot of number synchronicities of 555 these days. Okay, have solitude here, Aquarius. Okay, avoid any temptation. If you are getting any kind of temptation, maybe from the karmic relationships. Okay, because here I can see a new life. Break that. Wow, break that pattern here. Follow your truth, follow your intuitions, Aquarius. And these 2 came out. Your base chakra, your root chakra is getting activated, which is number 1 here. And there is spiritual union which is coming between you and your twin flame, between you and your soul mate. There are new beginnings which are coming for you. Just follow your truth, follow your intuitions, Aquarius, and you will follow it because your root chakra is getting activated here. Okay, your root chakra, your throat chakra is getting activated here. This is beautiful reading, Aquarius. New beginnings are coming for you. This is the spiritual union which is coming for you here with your twin flame, with your soul mate. Okay, this is beautiful. Let me know in the comment section if you're getting reunited with your twin flame or with your soul mate. Okay, in the month of September and in the month of October too, because this is the reading for September, but I can say October too. It will also goes to October because readings are always timeless. Okay, whenever you can see these readings, this is for you. So definitely there is new life which is coming for you. Okay, there is a spiritual union, okay, which is coming for you. This is beautiful, Aquarius. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from Power of Love. Please give me one message. Unity. Wow. So this says you understand that the love shared with another is amplified and has a ripple effect across the universe. And that's right. Okay, whatever love you have shared with one another, that has a ripple effect across the universe, that helps to raise the vibration and frequencies of love in the whole universe. Okay, so this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the message. Let me see what is the soul lesson which you need to learn. What is the soul lesson which Aquarius needs to learn? What is the soul lesson? Self-esteem. Okay, I possess gift of soul that benefit me and others. Okay, so learn this soul lesson, Aquarius. You need to learn the soul lesson of self-esteem. You have the gifts of your soul. You possess that gifts of your soul that will benefit not only you but also the other souls. So use that gifts, okay, for the benefits of the universe. That's why the universe, the divine, has given you these gifts. Okay, so you possess gifts of your soul. Use it. Thank you for giving the message. Now let me add message from the Divine Energy Oracle deck. Wow, these 3 messages come out and I'm going to take it. Take the lead, Aquarius. Take the lead, and that's what you are doing it. Take the control in your hand. Be the emperor of your life. Take the lead. See how the light gets increases here. Okay, take the lead of your life. Take the lead, the control of your life in your own hands. Be the emperor of your life. Okay, and the second message is here: embrace your powers. Okay, I possess gifts of the soul that benefit me and others. That was the message. Embrace your powers. You have the powers, you have the gifts. Okay, just see it. That's why I was telling you that you have the wings. Okay, just see this, just see yourself in this mirror. Okay, take this mirror in your hand and see yourself into this mirror. Okay, use your wings, because you're not using your wings to fly. You can fly, okay, but use your wings, and that wings you can see once you start seeing yourself into the mirror. Okay, embrace your power. And there is shine your light. You are the light, Aquarius. In tarot we know that Aquarius is the star. Okay, the star is all about new hopes, new desires, the healing. Okay, the star is the shining light, so shine your light. Okay, that's the message I'm receiving here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me add one message from Lovers Oracle. Please give me message for Aquarius Twin Flame Soulmate reading. This says, if you could do anything, what would it be? The answers dwells in your heart, not in your mind, Aquarius. For the heart is the gateway to your soul. Okay, so follow your heart, follow your soul, follow your intuition. Okay, so that's the first message. And the second message is, emotions are a natural and necessary part of your life, but they can also distort your perception and cloud your vision. In order to see things clearly, you must let go of resentment. Okay, so these are the two messages here. Thank you for giving the messages. Now let me see messages. Wow, it just fall out. 12:12 is the recording reading time, and it is commitment. Wow, I'm going to take it. Commitment is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, let me know in the comment section. Okay, this is the commitment, spiritual union, which is coming for you. 1 2 3 4 is the recording reading time. Wow, I am feeling the happiness here. Okay, wow. This is the yin yang which is coming here. This is the twin flame reunion. I am doing your twin flame and soulmate reading, and I was receiving the downloads while I was doing the other readings of you, that I have to do your twin flame reading and soulmate reading anyhow, any condition, today only. And this is why it was coming, because this is the reunion of the twin flame, the yin yang. And many of you, this can be your soulmate too, because all of you are not in twin flame journey. So for those who are in twin flame journey, your union, your commitment is coming for you. Your spiritual union is coming here. Okay, and for those who are in soulmate journey, your commitment is coming here. Your spiritual union is coming here. This is beautiful. Bottom of the deck, I'm having shivery. Okay, I can't pronounce it, but someone who is very romantic. This is the Knight of Cup energy. Lot of love, romance is coming here, and there is intimacy, and there is sexual freedom. Okay, so this is very beautiful energy, Aquarius. I love it. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me see one message, what you need to surrender. How beautiful it is. Can you see how beautiful it is? This is the yin yang, and this is commitment. Wow, union of two hearts, two souls, I can say that. Okay, let me see, what is the thing which Aquarius needs to surrender? Please give me one message. I got two. Surrender to your passion, and surrender to woe under an awe. I got three messages. Okay, surrender to inner peace. Open to the magic of every moment and sense the awe and wonder in all your life. This attitude will keep you flow, connected to the ecstasy of flow. 1441 is the recording reading time. 1441. Surrender to the wonder and awe. Then there is surrender to inner peace. which says cultivate inner peace on a daily basis in quiet meditative moments. Focus on the stillness within and enjoy the inner refuge. Others will feel your good vibes too, and your life will flow more easily. Okay, so surrender yourself to your inner peace. And there is surrender to passion. Follow your creativity, follow your passions, do the things which feeds your soul, Aquarius. Okay, get out of your head and feel the fire in your belly. Focus on the people or activities that ignite your passion and let it flow. Okay, so you need to follow your passion. Surrender to the passion here. So this is beautiful. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me add what more thing. What is the thing which I need to add? Okay, let me add message from this deck. What is the message for Aquarius twin flame? Wow. Male and change. 1551 is the recording reading time. Okay, so let's see the message from this deck too. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Please give me the message. Your twin flame or soulmate is having the thoughts of you. They're missing you. Can you see thoughts? They are having a thoughts here, and there is high honor. This is the Six of Wands energy. Success, recognition, victory, which is coming for you. Okay, and both are number 7 and 7. 16 is 7 and 512 is 7. 77. So maybe you can see a lot of number synchronicities of 777 or 77. That can be also a possibility here. Okay, that's it. Bottom of the deck I'm having courtship, which is saying again this is also a card of new beginnings in your relationship. There is a Cupid here in this picture. Okay, so new love which is coming here. Okay, wow. Distant horizons, your ships are coming for you. Change, can you see it just come out here? Change is coming for you, Aquarius. Beautiful reading for you, for your twin flame soulmate reading. It's beautiful. Okay, so let me add some tarot messages for you, Aquarius. Then I'm going to take Fool is here. Just take a leap of faith and move in a forward direction. Okay, so let's see what are the tarot messages, and then I'm going to close out your reading. Let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, so let's start. What is the message you want me to deliver for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? What is the message here for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Hierophant. Bottom of the deck I'm having 10 of cups, 10 of waters. You're going to receive your marriage proposal, Aquarius, or a commitment. Hierophant is all about commitment, marriage proposals here. Okay, number 5. Number 5 is also a number of change. And here I'm having 10 of cups. Happy family, happy life. Okay, so you're going to receive commitment, marriage proposal from your twin flame or from your soulmate here. Okay, happily ever after. That's the tarot message, tarot confirmation also. Okay, any other message for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? Right now maybe you are in a hermit mode, but you have to keep your patience, Aquarius. Keep doing your inner work. If you're working on yourself, if you're doing your healing, meditation, whatever you are doing, okay, you're looking answers from within yourself. So keep doing here. Okay, keep your patience here. And again 5. Use your intuitions here. Your wish fulfillment is going to come true. Okay, 9 of cups. Lot of 9 is also here. Okay, 9 of cups, and there is high priestess. So use your intuitions here, Aquarius. Let me see any other message. I don't think so I have to give you any message, but wow. Ace of, you are wait, this is the same energy which I was receiving in your main reading too. Your ships are coming. You're waiting for your ships. 3 of wands, and they're coming here. Ace of fire, Ace of wands. Your new passionate beginning is coming towards you. This is the Six of Swords. Maybe right now you are having confusion, Aquarius, but do not worry, you're going to come towards the calmer waters. Okay, the Six of Swords. Okay, this is Four of Wands, the Chariot. Wow, you're going to move in a forward direction with your twin flame, with your soul mate. This is beautiful. So that was your tarot messages too. Can you see? Maybe right now you cannot see the picture clearly because of the confusion. Okay, because of the moon energy, because of the hidden things, but do not worry, the Chariot is coming, the clarity is going to come towards you. Okay, so this is beautiful. Let me add your life purpose here. What is the life purpose you want me to deliver for Aquarius twin flame soulmate reading? For this reading, please give me the life purpose. What is the life purpose you want me to deliver? Any other life purpose? So Aquarius, your life purpose can be related to, connected to crystals. Okay, that can be a possibility. Your connection to crystals and gemstones is a channel for healing energy. So if you are connected with crystals, use those crystals because that's your life purpose. Your life purpose involves crystals that will help to send the healing energies for others and for yourself too. Okay, then there is nutrition. You conduct healing work with your cooking skills, with your nutrition. So that means if you are very good in cooking foods, okay, if you are very good in giving the nutrition to others, that is your life purpose. Okay, that is your life purpose, and that will help others too, okay, in getting the healing from your cooking, I can say cooking food. Or okay, then there is justice. Your career brings fairness and protection to others who need your help. Okay, then there is freedom. You are free to do what you choose. So you are free to do, Aquarius, what you need to do. You are free to choose here. Then there is practice. Polish your skills by practice regularly. Maybe you can you are very good in, maybe you are very good in, what I can say, this fluid. This girl is, maybe you are very good in doing in making the efforts. What I can say, right? 1 minute for me. Okay, practice your skills by practice regularly, by polishing the skills you have. Maybe you are very good in making the sounds from instruments. That what I can say. Maybe you are very good in making sounds from flute or harmonium or guitar or anything, but maybe that's your life purpose to do that. Okay, then there is author. You have a book inside of you that wishes to be expressed. Make the time to write it. Okay, that can be your life purpose, Aquarius. Okay, so then there is music. Your connection to music is healing for yourself and for others. So if you are into singing or into music, if you listen to music, do it, because your connection with music sends healing to others and even for yourself. Bottom of the deck, I'm having yoga. Your life is enhanced by yoga, stretching and exercise. That's what I was telling you, that if you are doing if you are in the hermit mode, if you're doing meditation, yoga, inner work, healing, chakra balancing, keep doing it, Aquarius, because that helps you out, okay, in getting the balance here in your life. So these can be your life purpose here. So this is beautiful. Now let's see what are the signs which you may be dealing with, and then I'm going to close out your reading. What are the signs? What are the signs Aquarius dealing with? Okay, so you can be dealing with fire sign Leo or Sagittarius here. You can be dealing with earth sign Virgo or Taurus. Okay, you can be dealing with air sign Gemini, Aquarius, Libra. All air signs are here. Or you can be dealing with water sign Cancer or Scorpio. Okay, let me see more signs here from this deck also. What are the signs Aquarius dealing with for this reading? Please give me the messages. Okay, so you can be dealing with Gemini. That's the double confirmation here. Some of you are dealing with a Gemini here. Okay, you can be dealing with an Capricorn here. They can be an earth sign, okay, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or they can be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Your twin flame or soulmate can born on November baby is here. They can have earth or water element in their chart, or they can have earth or air element in their chart. They can be having an element of earth or fire in their chart. They can be an Aries here and Sagittarius. So all fire signs are here. Okay, then they can born on August baby is here. They can born on July baby. Then there is January baby here. There is October baby. There is April baby here, and there is March baby. Okay, so these are the months which maybe they are born on, or maybe they are born on May. They can be having air or water element in their chart, or they can born they are having water or earth element in their chart, and they can be a February baby here. Okay, and they can born on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. These are the days on which they can born on. Okay, they can be fire and water element in their chart. They can be earth and air element in their chart. They can be water sign Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio, and there can be a Scorpio here you are dealing with. Okay, so these are the signs which you may be dealing with. Okay, so this was your twin flame soulmate reading for the month of September, Aquarius. I hope it will help you out because it is very beautiful reading. Okay, sending you lots of love and healing light to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching my video. Take care of yourself and see you soon.